Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thanks for clicking. Today we're going backpacking. We have a little bit of a drive down a forestry service road. It's gonna be an epic one. All right, let's get on the trail. Whoa. I don't feel so good. I'm dizzy.
You don't look good. And away we go.
I'll go fall down. Ugh. Sure. Finally at a patch with no wind, so you guys should actually be able to hear me. But we're almost to the peak. We're almost on the summit. It got super windy and the clouds rolled in. It's kind of freaking crazy. We got lost a little bit, found our way, and we're gonna get on top of the summit and we're gonna start heading down the other side to a lake.
We're gonna sleep.
We're gonna sleep. Dinner, I'm freaking hungry. Okay, let's get to the top. I feel like every single time we do a new hike, I just get more and more blown away by this place. It's freaking awesome. Look at that. Can you see it? I'll show you. Well, we made it to the summit. It's beautiful up here. Look at this lake. We're gonna go camp right there. That's sweet. I really wanna go to those. Those are freaking sweet. Everything up here is freaking awesome. Looks like this is gonna be camp for the night. It's not super ideal, but all the good spots are taken. And I mean, we're still super lucky to just be in this spot. Look at it. So we're gonna make the most out of it. First order of business, I think, is water, and then swim, and then dinner, then camp. So without further ado. Holy, it is blue. My feet are blue.
That's weird.
Or they're just really cold. This might be the clearest water to swim. I can never decide what the clearest water is. All right, the swim's done. It's time for some food. I'm very hungry. On tonight's menu is butter noodles with bacon. Now that dinner's done, we're going for a mini hike. On our big hike, we're gonna go watch the sunset over there. What's up with your jacket?
I'm embarrassed.
Why?
It's on roots.
Alright, well, I guess that's it for today. We're in the tent. It's dark out. And we're gonna sleep like babies, I think. It was quite a journey to get here. Tomorrow's hike was gonna be a lot shorter. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's a nice foggy morning. We're all packed up and we're gonna start the hike down now. See you on the trail. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Have a great one.
Yeah, you too. No. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. That hike was so incredible. I think that's going to take the #1 spot on my list of hikes. Thanks a lot if you stuck around to the end. Ericka and I are packing for another trip tomorrow, so we'll see you again next week with another video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. We'll see you guys again soon.